All right, so I do realize that I need to make a part two to the booking platform demo because there are a few key things that I left out. And this one will hopefully be shorter than the one before this, but definitely go ahead and watch the part two when you have time. So the great thing about our booking platform is that you can share by employee. Okay, so for example, like, just to give you like an actual example of this, like let's say you had your Instagram links. Okay, like your own Instagram link would be like your booking page. Okay, where if someone clicked the link, it's just going to be your service. Okay, so you can share by employee or team member. Okay, you can share by location if you have multiple locations. Okay, and it's just going to be the services for that location and whatever team members and such are at that location. But you can share by service category. So for example, eyelash extension refills. Okay, you can share by individual service. Okay, which I think I showed you guys in the last video. So there's lots of different ways you can share this, and you can also customize the sharing. So you can, let's say, you can share it with the extra, without the extra, select the employee. In this case, we just, we got one employee doing it. It's just a demo account. You can set a custom date range, etc. Lots of different ways you can share. And then what you can do is, and what I'm going to do here is, I'm just going to take a category. So here's the other great thing about it. On your website, so this here is a booking. Hold on. Sorry about that. Just wait for this to, okay. So this here is the booking platform. Okay. But, this isn't a primary website. It's just the booking platform. Okay. So you would put on your Google business profile, you would have two links, one link to your primary website and one link just to the booking thing. So for same thing with your Instagram, like the primary website is discover our brand, learn more about us, our services, etc. That, is going to be your SEO site. This is just going to be the booking platform, for customers who are just ready to book, they already know who you are, etc. But what we do, okay, is we can just take this whole category, okay, copy that, okay, and embed this directly on your primary website. This really helps you with conversions and SEO. But this is just a new site, a new project we're working on, and I'll have more to say about that sometime soon. It's a project that Nikki and a few other of my team members who have successfully scaled lash extension businesses are going to be working on. But for now, being as though it's a blank site, we're just going to use it to just show you guys something on the privacy policy page. But we're just going to grab an HTML widget, drag it onto the page, boom, just like that. And then let's move this little thing out of the way, okay? And that code, let's see where to go. Okay, we already copied the code, okay? That code you guys just saw me copy. But here, let's just run through it again. That way you can see. So I'm going to be embedding this whole service category for eyelash extensions on the primary website, or as we like to call in the SEO world, the money site. Just copying it and pasting it. Okay, so it's going to put all of those services there. Okay, and being as though this is multi-location, it's going to show the locations first. But if it wasn't multi-location, it would show just the services. But I think you guys get the point. So we'll wait for that to update. And we'll scroll down. And my computer is a little slow right now just because I'm recording my screen. But yeah, this is great. The customer can book directly on your primary website. You don't have to send them, anywhere else. They go ahead and check out, etc. Right? But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. So the idea behind that is you would have a primary website that was, optimized for SEO. You had service category pages, for example, eyelash extensions, a page for eyelash extension refills, a page for body wax, and a page for, eyebrow beautification, etc. And on each one of those service category pages, you would have, just the services for that category. Okay. And then you would, you might have like this might be like a book appointment button, which would take you to a page that had everything. Okay. Yeah, just wanted to show you guys that. That's it, basically. Oh, I also wanted to mention, and yeah, bear with me, I'm not the best at making videos, admittedly, but also wanted to mention that, the booking platform, let's see. So we also have an app, so you would be able to, manage your business and bookings and stuff like that on the app too. We have an app for Android and we have an app for Apple. So, yeah.